Okay. Yes, so let us start with financial planning. I hope everyone has come on 6.1 practice set. We are looking at the first question. Okay. Fine. If anybody wants to help me out in this sum, just raise your hand, everyone. Hello, Harshit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you read the first sum?
So yes, sir. That Alka spent that question, na?
Yes.
First sum practice. Yes, sir. Alka spends 90% of money that she receives every month and saves rupees 120. How much money does she get monthly?
Okay. So tell me something. If Alka earns, let us say 720 rupees she earns from her office. Okay.
Yes.
And she is saving, how much have they told she is saving?
120.
120. So how much is she spending? This is savings,
720 minus 120.
which is how much?
600.
600. Spending. Okay. So how much ever you
Yes.
spend, वो निकल जाते तब savings बचता है ना? So these are the two parts of
Yes.
your income. So whatever Alka
Yes.
earns, whatever she spends, spending में से जो बच जाता है वो savings है, correct? Okay, now tell me,
Yes.
have they told us how much she spends?
No, sir. Means percentage is sir. 90%.
Correct. So they have told us 90% she spends. So how much does she save? Percentage wise. 90%. 10%. Now ये जो 120 है, is it 90% में आएगा या ये 120 10% में आएगा?
10% आएगा.
Okay. So let us use that logic. Okay. So I'll be writing a few statements. I want you all also to write the same statements. Okay. So what they're asking us is how much money does she get monthly? So let the money that Alka gets monthly be rupees X. This is the amount she gets every month. ये हम लोग को ढूंढना है. Okay. As we see, they have given us how much percentage she spends. So percentage
90%.
Wait. Yes. So percentage of either we can write expenditure. Expenditure means spending, or we can write spending. Okay. How much is it equal to?
Yes. 90%.
90%. So can you tell me what is percentage of savings?
10%. 100 minus 90.
अगर दिखाना है तो दिखाओ, or otherwise directly also you can write 10%.
Yes.
Okay. Acha, what is savings? Have they given us the savings?
Yes, sir. Rupees 120.
Rupees 120. So right now we have written all the information जो हम लोग को पता है. Now let us use this. I asked you this question before also, Harshit. 90%
Yes,
of income is 120 or 10% of income is 120?
10%.
Okay. Now remember one thing. Whenever we see percentage, no, percentage means upon 100. So 10% means 10 upon 100. ये 10% किसका है? Income का है. Whatever she earns, उसका 10% है. So we'll write into X is equal to 10% of X is this. This is the saving, 120. This is the equation that you should get. Okay.
Yes.
अच्छा, can left में कुछ cancel हो रहा है?
Yes, 0, 0.
0 0. अब ये 10 उधर जाएगा तो क्या होगा?
Multiply.
So how much will we get?
1200.
1200. Therefore, money earned by Alka is rupees.
1200.
Very good. Okay. आपको समझ गया सम?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next let me take Jash Mehta. Hello, Jash.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, now I'll tell you which sum to read. Okay, just give me a second.
Okay, sir.
Okay, read the fifth sum.
Okay, sir. Samira spent 90% of her income and donated 3% for socially useful causes. If she left with rupees 1,750 at the end of the month, what was her actual income?
Okay, can you tell me? Now we are talking about Samira. So Samira, how much ever she earns, उसमें से how much percentage has she spent?
90%.
अच्छा, सिर्फ 90%.
93.
3 का दूसरे चीजों में भी she has spent. So 3% she has spent on socially useful causes. तो 90 खुद पे खर्चा किया है, 3% सोशली कुछ सोशल कॉज के लिए दिया है, तो टोटल 93% उसने खर्चा किया. और सेविंग कितना हुआ?
7%.
7%. Okay. And if you notice this 1750, 1750, ये उसका एक्सपेंडिचर बोला है या उसका सेविंग्स बोला है?
Saving.
कैसे पता चला?
Because it is written she left with rupees 7.
लेफ्ट विद मतलब इतना बच गया. Correct. So that has to be the savings. Okay. So can you tell me, looking at the previous sum, what should be the statements written here?
The first statement will be the same. Let the money earned by Samir.
Here, use whatever word they are using. So here they are not using the word money. Here they are using the word actual income or income भी बोल सकते हो. So let us use
Let the actual income earned by Samira be rupees X.
earned by Samira be rupees X. Okay. Then
Percentage of expenditure is equal to 90 plus 3 is equal to
percentage of expenditure is equal to 90 plus 3 is equal to
93%.
okay. Then
Percentage of saving
percentage of savings
100 minus 93
100 minus 93
is equal to 7%.
7%.
Savings is equal to 1750 rupees.
Savings is equal to rupees 1750. Okay. After this, tell me this 1750, is it 7% of X or is it 93% of X?
7%.
So what should I write?
7 upon 100 into X is equal to 1750. Then sir,
X is equal to 1750 into क्या आएगा? 7 आएगा या 100 आएगा? Into
100
100 upon
7.
7. चेक करो 175 कैंसिल होता है क्या 7 से?
Yes sir. Sir, maybe 25.
Correct. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. 14 का 3 carry forward होगा तो 35. 5s are. So x is equal to how much?
250 into 100,
Which is
which is equal to 25,000.
25,000. So what should I write final statement?
Therefore, the actual income
Income.
earned by Samira
Okay. Earned by Samira.
is rupees 25,000.
Okay, very good. Easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Josh.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next, let us go for Deep Chaudhary. Hello, Deep.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Okay. Can you read the third question now?
Yes, sir. Nikhil spent 5% of his month income on his children's education.
Month income क्या है? ठीक से पढ़ो.
Nikhil spent 5% of his monthly income on his children's education, invested 14% in shares, deposited 3% in bank, and used 40% for the daily expenditure. He was left with a balance of rupees 1900, that is 19,000. What was his income that month?
Okay. अगर मैं निखिल का बात कर रहा हूँ, okay, how much has he spent?
He has spent 5 plus 14.
हाँ, एक एक करके बोल सकते हो. 5 उसने spend किया
5%.
on children's education. 14 उसने
5%.
spend किया है shares में.
Yes, sir.
3 spend किया है बैंक में. And 40
240
spend किया है daily expense. तो कितना हुआ total?
So 113.
113.
Sorry, sir. 1
100
minute.
से ज़्यादा % कर सकते.
Sorry, sir. Sir, 69. No, sir, 68. 68.
68. वापस ऐड करो. हर बार आप ऐड करो, अलग आंसर कैसे आ रहा है?
Sir, 68 only.
68 only. Okay, just a second.
No, sir, it is.
Kanika,
Sorry.
this is
Hello,
second.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you tell me what is the total?
The total is 62%.
62%. Okay, fine. Can you help me with the? अच्छा, tell me 62% he has spent. तो कितना savings हुआ है?
38%.
38%. Okay. Fine. So can you help me do this sum now? Acha,
Yes,
one more
sir.
thing they have told us. They have told us also that he has 19,000 कुछ बोला है. What is the 19,000?
19,000 is
Expenditure.
savings.
Savings. कैसे पता चला savings है?
Because they told that it is left with Nikhil.
Left with Nikhil. Left मतलब बच गया. Correct?
हाँ.
So this. Okay. So can you tell me what will be the statements written?
Let the monthly income be rupees X.
Let the monthly. किसका monthly income?
Nikhil.
Okay. So here you can add Nikhil's.
Yes, sir.
Nikhil's monthly income be rupees X. Okay. Then
Total expenditures and investments of Nikhil is equal to
total expenditure. थोड़ी हम लोग expenditure लिख रहे हैं. We are writing percentage. अब मैं जब लिखवा रहा था, you have not written.
yes, sir, written.
Then did I make you write what you just said or something different?
Sir, as you say,
So what should I write?
percentage of expenditure and investments
Percentage of expenditure.
and investments.
Okay, let's add and investment. Digest से तो नहीं पढ़ रहे हो ना?
नहीं, sir.
Okay. So tell me क्या आएगा इधर?
So is equal to 40
40
plus 14 plus 3 plus 5.
is equal to
62%.
62%. Okay, next.
Then amount left with Nikhil.
नहीं. मैंने क्या लिखवा है वो पढ़ो. You've not been writing, I think, Kanika.
Percentage of savings
Percentage of savings
is equal to 100 minus 62. 38%.
38%. Last statement
Then savings is equal to 19,000.
is equal to 19,000. Now tell me 19,000, is it 38% of X or 62% of X?
It's 38% of X.
Okay. So what should the next line be?
38 upon 100
38 upon 100
multiplied by X
Hmm.
is equal to 19,000.
Okay. Then
Then we can divide it by 2.
okay. So 2 how much?
Then 2 ones are 2.
2 ones are 2. 1 carry forward.
9s are 18.
9s are 18.
2 5s are 10. 50.
Okay. So X is equal to 19,000 into
Multiplied
19,
by 50
50 upon.
19.
Okay.
Then 1,000 multiplied by 50
Which is equal to
is equal to 50,000.
what is the final statement? Therefore,
Monthly salary of Nikhil is 50,000.
monthly income लिखा है ना?
Yes.
Of Nikhil is rupees
50,000.
Okay. Is this easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can I mute myself?
Yes. Okay, everyone. I hope you all have been understanding these types of sums. We'll do one more sum for today. So this type will get done and repeat these sums as homework. Okay. So I want you all to come to problem set, page number 107. And question number 2 पे आ जाए. Hello, Sivasri.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 second, Sivasri. I'll just. Yes, Harshit.
Sir, can we do this sum by that method only? Means by 19,000 into 100 upon 38.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sivasri, do you understand which sum I'm talking about?
Yes, sir. The second one.
Second of problem. No, no, no.
6.
You can come to problem set. Problem set. Have you come to page number 107?
Yes, Mr. Shaker spent 60% of his income. From the balance, he donates rupees 300 to an orphanage. He is then left with rupees 3,200. What is his income?
Okay. So let us understand this right now. Uh, so there is Shaker, and he spends 60% of his income. Okay. So how much is his saving?
40%.
40% is his saving. Correct? Acha, they have also mentioned one more thing, that from the balance. What do you mean from the balance?
From the savings,
From the saving, he is donating how much?
rupees 300.
Okay. And then how much is remaining?
3,200 rupees.
Okay. So can I say from these savings, यानी ये जो balance था, उसमें से भी I can make it into two parts. ये 40% में से how much has he given away?
300 rupees has been given away.
Yeah. And out of that, how much is now remaining?
3,200.
So that means जब उसने 60% खर्चा किया था, actually कितना बचा था? Did 3,200 get saved or something else got saved?
Something else.
What is that amount? कितना saving? जब 60% शेखर ने खर्चा किया तो कितना amount बचा था actually? ये दोनों का total बचा था ना?
Yes, sir.
So how much is that?
3,500.
Correct. I'll repeat it one more time how this part is different. They clearly said 60% has been spent by Shekhar. So obviously the balance is this remaining 40%. 60% खर्चा हो गया, 40% बच गया. But the difference in this sum was that from the balance, from this 40%, he gave 300 away and remaining was 3,200. यानी 60% खर्चा करने के बाद 3,500 actually बचा था, जिसमें से 300 he has given away. Okay. So right now we will use the savings as 3,500 and then, or we can just show it as the total, add करके दिखाएंगे and then we can continue. So same statements will come. So Sivasri, what should be the first statement?
Percentage of expenditure and
No.
investment.
What is the first actual? पहला statement
Let
हम
the
लोग X वाला
monthly
बोलते हैं.
income,
हाँ. Let the.
monthly income of
Have they
Shekhar.
said monthly income or they have just used the word income in the question?
Income.
So let Shekhar's income be
X.
rupees X. Then what do we write?
Percentage of expenditure.
Percentage of expenditure is equal to yes, Sivasri,
60%.
60%.
60%.
After that,
Percentage of savings.
percentage of savings.
100% minus 60%, that is 40%.
Okay. Then
Savings is equal to 3,500.
ऐसे दिखाओ कि 300 plus 3,200 is equal to 3,500. Okay. So now tell me this 3,500, is it 60% of X or is it 40% of X?
60% of it.
So what 60%? ये saving ये उसका expenditure है.
Sorry, 40% of it.
So what to write over here?
3,500 upon 100 into x is
इससे पहले वाले एक भी सम नहीं किया क्या?
40 upon 100 into x is equal to 3,500.
40% of x means
40 upon 100
40 upon 100 into x.
into x is equal to 3,500.
Okay. Anything to cancel?
0, 0 gets cancelled.
Okay. So x is equal to 3,500 into
10
upon.
upon 4.
Okay. किससे कैंसिल करूं?
$875.
कौन सा 875? ये this one
Yes, sir.
875. So what is the final answer?
8,750.
So what should I write? Final statement.
Shekhar's income is rupees 8,750.
Income is rupees 8750. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, students, I hope you all have understood whatever we discussed today. Make sure to repeat these 4 sums as homework. Okay. See you all next time.